Alright guys, check it out. This is the front straight here at Trains and Lanes. The current layout. Pit stop. Not bad. Today's really dusty and dry and loose despite getting rained on about 2 days ago. So coming down the straight here, you see elevation into a tight 180. You're gonna roll this one. I know 180. Let's already said it. You know what? I ain't got the followers Let's got, so you're gonna listen if you like it. E-cars can triple this to do triple, single, truck, nitro, buggy, nitro, double. There's my truck. Had enough for today. Definitely not the right tires. You can see a little bit of a burn here, and you can kind of see the elevation and little dips. And if you take this burn fast enough, you can double this. But the safe line is definitely single, for sure. And if you double it, you are going to try to hug it tight right here. Kind of do this. Kind of bleed out this way to the edge. Now it's really narrow here from the driver's stand. It's hard to gauge, but and right here it gets even narrower and super loose. You can just see the surface right here. Look at this. It's like just sand coming to this corner. Just wheel spin galore. Now look at this. Talladega ain't got shit on us. Come down the straightaway, wheel spinning. That's probably me right there. Halfway down the straight. Hard on the binders. Again, e-buggies can hug it tight and kind of double, or depending on your grip and how good you got your shit together. Nitro, you could do the same. Otherwise, I've been kind of like midway, heading right here, double, right, boom, hit here, double, kind of adjusting midair, because this one kind of goes like that, and if you stay like this, you're gonna go down there. We don't want to go down there. Hug it tight. Look at this drop off. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying not to get myself hurt, as I usually do. Check it out. It's about right under my chest. Serious elevation at Trains and Lanes. Then you got off camber, Brian G, Jeremy Cups. You know who you are. This is a little difficult because you come here, right, and with the dry and dusty conditions, it's kind of sliding and it just doesn't stop until you get this little crevice right here and it catches. Or if you really want to play games, you can hug it nice and tight, but who wants to do that? Okay, kind of feathering the throttle around here for current conditions. Over here, this is lovely. Same type of deal, right? And just a little, just a tiny little kicker, then the step up. Seriously, Brian, Jeremy, love you guys. Y'all gonna have to step this up. See what I did there? Okay. No, seriously. Look at the size of this thing, man. Look at this. Look. I'm standing at the base and it's just as tall as me. This is eye level. Right? You can roll this full throttle. And again, this one. Good Lord. Want me to double shot it with you? Look at the face of this thing. You can go either right here, right there in the middle, send you to the moon, land. Well, attempt to land on all fours on power. And then we're coming down into the valley. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is literally going all downhill. Whoop. Whee! It's about how much my truck is right there. See how much elevation. And then back onto the straight. And there's a lap at the beautiful trains and lanes.